I'm Mr. Masorti. I am one of the 6th, 7th, and 8th grade health and physical education teachers here at the middle school. Specifically, I will be teaching 6th grade health as well as 6th, 7th, and 8th grade physical education. I'm also a homeroom teacher in the 6th grade pod. I'm part of the Orange team. I will be in room 611. So you'll be starting your day and ending your day with me if you are in 611 for homeroom. I'm entering into my 24th year of teaching, and unlike any year before, the start of the 2021 school year is surely one for the books. I want to assure you that we'll be doing whatever we are capable of to keep you safe and attempt to get back to some sort of normal. That being said, things are going to look a lot different when we get started. My 6th grade homeroom in 611 will be the beginning for many of the 6th graders, understanding of how to get around the school and the start and the end of the day successfully. Phys Ed is going to look similar to when you were in elementary school in the aspect of not having to change your clothes, but you must be wearing comfortable clothing to move around in, and of course, sneakers. We'll be going over all of the specific expectations the first week of school for those topics. I hope that you find you're able to relax a bit as you prepare your return to the new school year. I certainly look forward to seeing all of your smiling faces, even if it is behind a mask. If anyone has any specific questions for me, you can email me directly at mmazorti@ldsd.org. Just remember, this ship is sailing into new waters. It may seem a bit off course, but it will lead to new discoveries. See you soon. God bless.